inside the cafe by the cracker factory. We are practicing a magic trick. Ends my thoughts got rules as you talk. Stand shoes on your last of your big mix. So you must thinking everything as I haven't cold before. As you beach into a strawberry lace. Oh, then I'm flicking off the tension in the form of a godstopper. So you have that and you was going to waste. Your pastime consisted of a strange and twisted and arranged. And I love that little game you had called Crying Like That. And how you like to aggravate the ice cream man on rainy afternoons. Decided I call my own reflection in the honest ways to meet you. Thinking of excuses to postpone. You never look like yourself from the side. Did you cope up for life? Like you knew I was approaching your throne. With folded arms to occupy some things like two veins. Don't have both the chairs are like an upper lots to war. And though I tried to not to suffer from the indecency of reaction, there was no grass to claw. And your pastime consisted of the strange and twisted and deranged. I hate that little game you had called Crying Like That. And how you like to aggravate the icky man on rainy afternoon. What inviting. But now it feels impossible, cause everyone assumes you are crying like that. Your pastime consisted of a strange and twisted and deranged. I hate that little game you had called